Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm carless, so I am waiting for an Uber. I'm meeting with JW. He's taking me to Marina Mall, and today I'm not sure what's happening, but it's about to be a fun video, so stay tuned and like, share, comment and subscribe. The view from my area is mad. My chariot for today. I'm sitting here waiting for John Wick. Never done this before, sitting by the N1. There you have it, that's John Wick. Yeah man, damn, god damn, oh man. The real JW, what the hell? Oh my days. Hey, sorry, I don't even check the speedos if we just did go. Shit, my days. Charlie, make this year, you know, try, you go cast the engine. Let's time people. The power is so instant. May I say what I'm jealous of with you and the N55 is the wrap. Where you take your foot off. Charlie, I wish they put it on the N54. I'll be so excited. Yeah, giving us the council. Bro, this is the famous 540i JW. Going for a ride, heading to Marina Mall. You guys enjoy the video. An F80 M3 with some crazy low miles. I'm not really going to show the number plate, but that's mad. And we have here John Wick, 03 Leicester, and then we have Transporters Golf R. They say we might drive to Aburi, so let's see. Rerun is about to be lit. I'm gonna be sitting in here.
We were on the same line. You see the fully.
This 4060 shocked me.
Yeah, 4060 stop all.
4060 shocked me, bro. Straight. I watched that movie.
Everybody's licking. We the first. Oh, this is when they go catch you.
Oh nah, Joe no go catch you. Joe no go catch you. I did tell you, Joe no go catch you. Climbing Aburi. Yeah. Look at the two generations. So this is the Mach 7, this is a Mach 4 R32 Golf Rs. That was a Golf 4, but I think it has an engine swap in the E46, Honda Accord, M8, and then the GTI. And we have, I think the Golf boys did a drive because it doesn't make sense that we got here and all Golf Rs. And then the last one is pulling up. Aburi way. Front wheel drive, yeah.
You pass myself. But you say cars on the road, they will keep them a bit.
Exactly. Charlie, the R32 way they blast like that.
Johnny,
Make you come my side. I want to make you flame for you. No, but the R32 they sound nice. What's it?
Charlie, why? Yeah, the
car there, they pop like, and he's shooting flames.
See the way the old drive people, soft.
Soft work for them, bro.
And they want to sit there, man.
So man, yeah. He said nah.
And they want to sit for fear. Hey, Charlie, no, the guy don't drive. What's he talking on?
I told you. R32. Nice.
Every sort of way they make plans.
See?
Sort of they make plans.
Yeah, they make plans. So nice, eating the calves.
I come into my instructor.
Hey. Vex, because. I see.
That would be too vagabond of me. Yo, bro.
I see you anyway.
What is it?
This is the MTM RS3. Oh man. This is the nicest 335i right now.
Did they come?